हाय फैम, दिस इज अंतरा नंदी। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। देखते ही देखते वी आर हियर, फेवरेट टाइम ऑफ द ईयर। बट विद द पैंडेमिक बीइंग अराउंड, विद द लॉकडाउन, देयर वर सो मेनी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस, तो हम सब बाहर जाके अच्छे से खुल के शॉपिंग भी नहीं कर पाए। वी कुडंट स्टॉक रीस्टॉक ऑन आवर फेवरेट एंड वेरी एसेंशियल ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स। बट थैंकफुली विद द पैंडेमिक गेटिंग अ लिटिल बेटर एंड विद द लॉकडाउन ईजिंग अप अ लिटिल बिट, इतने समय बाद हमें फिर से तैयार होके रेडी होके मज़े करने को मिलेगा। ऑफ कोर्स अबाइडिंग बाय प्रॉपर प्रोटोकॉल्स एंड taking proper precautions. Y'all, I'm all set to unleash my inner beauty and say yes to shiny, frizz-free hair with the L'Oreal Paris X Oil Serum. With everybody getting all prepped to go out and look super glam, I think we all needed that one home hair spa treatment product. You know, the L'Oreal Paris X Oil Serum is just my go-to product, and that is because after I apply the serum, it just makes sure that I can style my hair multiple ways, and I love experimenting with hairstyles. It protects my hair from heat damage, and it just makes sure that my hair looks frizz-free and healthy and shiny at all times. The L'Oreal Paris X Oil Serum is absolutely non-sticky and lightweight. After you apply it, your hair looks like it's been freshly styled, like you've just like walked out of a salon or something. If you're wondering whether or not this product will actually suit your hair, let me tell you, the best thing about this product is that it's great for any hair type. मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो I have straight hair and I haven't had any treatment done to my hair, so no coloring, no other treatment, no chemical treatment done to my hair. But क्योंकि मैं बहुत frequently shoot करती हूँ, मुझे अपने बाल बहुत set करना पड़ता है, so it's exposed to a lot of heat, as a result of which it becomes very dull and bejan. And there are a lot of times that I have to just go out of my house, meet some people, and हमेशा बाल सेट करने से बाल और ज़्यादा डैमेज होते हैं. And I just want my hair to naturally look healthy and shiny, you know. For times like these, I think the L'Oreal Paris X Oil is just a savior, because it not only conditions your hair and provides your hair with all the nutrition that it needs, it adds extra shine to your hair. It controls the frizz and flyaways. So I have a lot of baby hair and flyaways in the front, so as soon as I apply it, it just settles everything down. आप सुबह अप्लाई करने के बाद आपको आपके बाल में जो शाइन, जो हेल्दी लुकिंग हेयर आपको दिखेंगे, that actually lasts till the night. The L'Oreal Paris X Oil Serum is actually made up of 6 rare flower oils: lotus, tear, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower. The X Oil Serum has now become, an intrinsic part of my hair care routine, and I just use it whenever at whatever time I need. It's become like my hair savior. The product can protect your hair from sunlight. It's great for humid weather because it can reduce your frizz till up to 87%. It reduces hair fall by 98%, and it can protect your hair till up to 230 degrees Celsius. That's insane, right? So here's 3 steps for the perfect spa treatment at home. इस प्रोडक्ट को जैसे कि मैंने कहा यूज़ करने के कई तरीके हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू 3 सिंपल स्टेप्स जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ. आई यूज़ इट एज अ ओवरनाइट हेयर ट्रीटमेंट, सो आई अप्लाई इट एट नाइट बिफोर आई गो टू बेड. दैट्स स्टेप 1. Step 2 is you can use it post shampoo to control frizz. Step 3 and the final step, the final touch. Use it as a product that adds shine to your hair and tames your flyaways. I personally am in love with this product, and I love the final results, the final outcome after using the product, and I can actually see the improvement in my hair. So there's a 100 ml bottle which is available for 499 rupees, but there's also a very cute and very cool 30 ml bottle which is available for 299 rupees. So every time you're planning a quick trip with your buddies, pop in the 30 ml bottle into your purse and you're all set for the trip. For further information and for purchase links, check out my description section. This pump makes it very easy to use the serum, and that's the texture, absolutely non-sticky. Alright guys, so I've decided to show you 2 of my favorite hairstyles. These work for any occasion and they're really quick. All you have to do is use the serum, do these hairstyles, and you're done for the occasion, no matter what occasion it is. If it's office party, it's a college meet, or it's the Navratris. Anything, all you have to do is use the serum, do these quick little hairstyles like this little bun that I'm making. After this, I'm going to use the serum to smoothen out my hair, to tackle all my flyaways, and ta-da, I'm done. So like I've said, you can use the serum as many times as you want. It's going to be protecting your hair against all the evils that are working against your hair and make your hair look amazing. Just so you all have a clearer idea of how this product actually works on my hair, look at that. Don't you see the stark difference after just one use? Abhi tak, you all must have figured out one simple thing, which is that this product has multiple uses. So here's a whole long list of how many ways you could use the L'Oreal Paris X-Oil Serum. That was all for today, fam. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. Do let me know if you found the video useful. Leave your valuable comments down there in the comment section, and don't forget to check out the description section for further information about the product. This is me, Antara Nandi, signing off for today. I'll see you very, very soon with my next video and wish you all a very happy Diwali ahead.